One fine day, I'm running at the very beautiful Lower Seletar Reservoir. So yeah, this is so beautiful, and as I just come in, I'm greeted by this sight. Look at this. Oh gosh. Today my tripod is damaged. I'm holding my GoPro with my bare hands. It's been a long time since I did a video on my GoPro with my bare. So immediately as I come in, I was greeted by this very beautiful boardwalk. And there are a lot of people fishing over there. Let's go and have a look. So just now stepped on some vomit, I think. I was so unlucky, so now didn't wash the underside of the shoe a little bit. Once again, as usual, washing point is nearby. Okay, let's proceed this area. Let's go. Of course, you have the typical workout area over here. And some nice little folks engaging in their fishing activity. Are you doing okay? Really interesting. I don't know, I wonder who did all this to help people feel better. As I run on my right, there are some little huts. What are all these? Little cute huts. Let's go and peek. Is there a bicycle? Is it a bicycle thing or something?
Hi, good morning.
Oh yeah, I just exploring, sorry.
Okay.
See what I just shoot around, sorry. And wow, over here are all the gear for the paddling. So I'm exploring.
Okay, just stay behind the...
Oh, okay, sorry. These are the storage area to put all the kayak, canoe, everything. Plantation. Okay, this looks really interesting. Wow. Why are they putting bottles? What are they doing? Is there a thing to read? Oh, look at that. So many bottles. We are germinating seeds. Oh, okay. This one definitely take the kid. Even got shelter for this plant. Wow, what plant is this? Needs such a good treatment. As I continue to run, I spot this jetty. Wow, this little jetty that I can run all the way into another one. Into this jetty. Let's go. Whoa. Over here you can see the MRT track running around and people fishing over here. Wow. Another breathtaking view. You can view from the jetty or this particular jetty. Lots of seats here. Wow. Also people fishing along the very beautiful MRT track. You see here there's a lot of people doing their fishing, going about their stuff. Yeah, really awesome. Okay, time to keep on going. There's a nice little bridge here. So I think this is most likely the main entrance of the Lower Seletar Reservoir Park, where you run in from here. And if you go look at the back, you can actually run along the very beautiful park connector that runs along the MRT track. Let's go there and have a look. See what do we have there. Can the scenery of a park connector be more beautiful? Kudos, kudos. And this is one of the first few signboards I see, right? There, Lower Seletar Reservoir Park. There's a Springleaf Nature Park. I don't know how far is it. So let's go and see. MRT track. Whoa. So in the event there's rain, right, you can run under the track. There's a path along the track where you can run under the shelter. This sign, it says Springleaf Nature Park. Point to here. Is it here? Let's go and explore. Most likely could be there. Let's go and have a look. Oh, under the overground, Springleaf Nature Park. Okay, continue. A bonus park to explore. Ah, finally a map. I started at this pavilion, stage and water play area. So I ran. Lower Seletar Reservoir Park is not really huge. Springleaf Park connector that will bring me all the way, I believe should be somewhere in front, that will lead me across. Most likely there's an underpass to cross this area. If not, I don't know how to cross. Yeah, most likely this is it. Yeah guys, there indeed is an underpass. I found it. Woohoo. Nice. Yes, update. Springleaf Park connector. So I'm here. Time to explore the whole area. Let's go. Oh. So as I run along this park connector, the first thing I notice is, wow, this water lily, I'm supposed. Oh, very, very eye-catching. Very, very beautiful. I don't really see this on other PCNs. Wow. Oh, there are way much more in front. Oh man, these water lilies are ridiculously beautiful. Oh gosh. Look at those. There's some road signs to point me the way. There's a bird watch, viewing platform, lawn and pavilion. Yeah, interesting. Look interesting. Let's go. Wow. Cross the road. New map update. I just crossed the park connector somewhere around here. And I'll be going to the park. This way, let's go. Very envious of these people that stay around here. There's such a nice nature view right in front of them. Yeah, most likely this is the supposedly viewing deck. Okay, let's go up and take a look. Oh, look at the tree. Just can stand here for a while to go and soak in the atmosphere. And the sunrise. Some construction happening over here. They spoiled the view, but never mind. From what I see, there's quite a variety of birds according to this board. Okay, wow. This is a paradise for bird watchers and bird photographers. Okay, let's go back down. So of course today I'm still testing out with the Kid Run Ultra Long. Yeah, love this shoe so far. Very lightweight. Quite very fun to run with, and the colors look awesome. If you want to know more about this shoe, there's a link in the description below. You can go and have a look. There's a bus stop over here from here. So continue towards the lawn. Look at this tree. Whoa. There's also information about some of the animals that you can find here. The very first settler. Cute little turtle.
Don't worry, be happy now.
This is the supposedly food and beverage which is closed. How come only closed halfway? So yeah. So that's the problem in running early in the morning. Everything is closed. So some history of Singapore over here on the whiteboard. Lim Nisu, one of my idols. Woohoo! So this particular holding area, nice to hear this nice little cute song. Yeah, new map update. I'm going out to the main road already. This is the main road along Nee-Soon Road. Yeah, I can see a few houses. Okay, a very quiet road. After exploring the very little cute Springleaf Nature Park, a little bonus, so I shall go all the way back to the Lower Seletar Reservoir. So let's go. Very beautiful here. Very pretty.
Yeah.
Thanks for keeping the park clean. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Too bad the water area isn't open yet. So of course that particular shelter or jetty, whatever you call it, is the particular landmark of this place. Yeah, very beautiful. So from here you can actually spot the golf course. Alright, let's see some snippets of my GoPro. This is where I put my GoPro here. Okay, so if I accidentally go and hit it and drop into the water, I don't know what to do. So yeah, a little bit inside of some of the dangerous places where I put my GoPro at. Wow! Oh, this pavilion, ridiculously beautiful. No one doing meditation, no one to disturb. Golf course, you can see the golf course from here. Okay, nearby, around the area, and around this loop. Okay, there's a stage, a loop, one area, spiral around here, spiral around here. Goes up this area all the way to the end.
Yes. I was telling.
Wow. Wow, wow. Man, it seems like lots of bees over there. Is that bees or what? With dragonflies. So Singapore has so many beautiful parks and beautiful trail everywhere we go, all parts of Singapore. So if you are still not running yet and not prioritizing your health yet, what are you waiting for? Okay, this is the most important. So once again, I put in a lot of effort in all my video content so that I can bring you guys along wherever I run. But not least, again, I'd like to share that running has transformed my life, and I'm pretty sure it will transform yours too. Okay, keep on running. Woohoo!